Make his way forward. Bernardo Silva's got all the time in the world to pick out one of three in the middle, and Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. His first meaningful touch of the ball, and there's international goal number 76.
It's Ronaldo. Oh, he's done it! He has only gone and done it! Cristiano Ronaldo!
Suddenly red shirts flooding back, chance for Cristiano Ronaldo! 2-2, and Ronaldo becomes the first player to score at 4 different European Championship finals.
Here's Charisma looking for Cristiano Ronaldo. The wait is over, and it wasn't very long. What a spectacular way.
Ronaldo looking for the hat-trick, and he's got it! Magnificent from Cristiano Ronaldo. He has made the second half his own.
Irá por la parte izquierda, Ronaldo va a tirar Ronaldo. ¡Oh, qué gol, señores! ¡Qué golazo Ronaldo! ¡Qué golazo Ronaldo!
It is Ronaldo. He has, you know, 3 for him, 3 for Portugal. Game over. Just phenomenal.
Ronaldo strikes and Ronaldo scores. Fitting that there is more than a sprinkling of magic about an historical.
Ball as he's been given away here, and off goes Ronaldo again, and finds the net again. 2 in the first 22 minutes.
Rafael Guerreiro with the cross. Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo breaks the deadlock. His 10th goal of the European Championship Finals equals Michel Platini's record for the tournament.
Coutinho has done well across the back. Ronaldo! He's done it! Could it be his tournament? Could it be the year that he becomes a true international footballing legend?
Half hour gone, Portugal again. Ball to the left side, Cristiano Ronaldo on the break, runs at the Kazakh defense, off the post and in. Goal in the 30th. He didn't seem to have a problem with his ankle there, did he?
No problems at all.
Mistake. Ronaldo's in. Ronaldo!
And what a way to make it to 699 goals for club and country. He is knocking at the door of the 700 club.
Nicely disguised ball on by Contral. Here's Ronaldo. Lovely skill. Cristiano Ronaldo. A goal of the highest quality from the Portugal captain.
Cristiano Ronaldo will hit it first time. Oh, he's got it! He scored! That's why he's the world's costliest player, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Hungry for a 6th. And stolen here by Liedson. It's Ronaldo who's getting there first. It's 6 for Portugal, and Cristiano Ronaldo has his first competitive international goal for 2 years.
Gabriel Gomes, Ronaldo, o remate, grande golo, está lá dentro, marca o capitão Cristiano Ronaldo.
Boa chegada, João Pereira tocou para trás, Cristiano Ronaldo ajeitou, bateu, gol!
Space for Andre Gomes to turn. Oh, it's a brilliant finish. What a way!
Inside the 18-yard box, he's fizzed it across to Ronaldo. This is not an easy skill. He makes it look very, very easy, but it's all about technique and timing.
Control gets the ball in. Oliveira goes up. Ronaldo's there again. Ronaldo was unmarked, and he's the skipper, the saviour.
Heartbreak. Well, Ronaldo unmarked on the edge of the 6-yard box.
It is Ronaldo. Oh, and he's gone in. Skimmed the top of the wall. Maybe Sigurdsson just turned a touch. The keeper had no chance.
3v2. It's over to Ronaldo. Took his time, picked his spot. Has he just finished off the Dutch?
I would say yes is the answer to that.
And Marwak's twitching.
Cristiano Ronaldo, und er kann's genauso gut, wenn nicht noch besser.
And Ronaldo's there again! Would you believe it? That is why he is a legend! And he comes up with an injury time winner!
Silvio. Varela, Ronaldo u prostora za udarac, lopta na ljevicu i gol. Gol 36. minuta. Portugal vodi protiv Hrvatske 1:0.
Chasing forward again. There's the shot. There's the goal. 2 now for Ronaldo. 75 minutes in. And it's 4-0. And frankly, it is no more than Portugal deserve.
Pueden pagar caro eso con Cristiano. ¡Gol! ¡Gol de Portugal!
Bezpiecznie, niepilnowani są Portugalczycy, tutaj Simao Sabrosa i mamy bramkę. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Quaresma. Ronaldo! Goal number 81 for Portugal. For Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ya va el tiro de esquina, cabezazo, gol. Gol!
Between goalkeeper and defenders. Maybe now Ronaldo, yes! He has goal number 50 of his international career.
Γκολ 2-1 τον Κριστιάνο Ρονάλντο. 1 λεπτό πριν το τέλος. Δεν τελείωσε τίποτα. Εδώ κοιμήθηκε η ελληνική άμυνα. Ο Σκολάρη χαιρετάει τους παίκτες του. Απομένει λιγότερο από 1 λεπτό.
It's proving to be a very big glancing header, and Ronaldo has tied it up.
Wonderful play. He stabs it home, and it's a difficult one to make contact on.
Silva with another opportunity, short this time. Towards the 6-yard box, and it's in! And wouldn't you just know it, Cristiano Ronaldo gives Portugal the lead.
Fernandes, Jota on the run. This is Ronaldo. The keeper did his best, but Cristiano does what Cristiano does. Year in, year out, the goals continue to flow for club and for country.
Deku with the pass to Ronaldo. He'll left foot this pass. Keeper Farkad Veliev. Goal 25th. Portugal coach Luis Felipe Scolari excited, and so was most everyone else.
Atenção Matalo, falha, Ronaldo marca, golo! Marca Ronaldo! CR7. Sim, Ronaldo grita outra vez.
It's Diogo Jota, it's Ronaldo, and it's 1-0 Portugal. That man again. Now just 2 short of equaling the world record for international goals.
Composes himself and scores. And the boy from Madeira, who loves playing for his country as much as anyone.
It is Cristiano Ronaldo. It's his landmark 700th goal as a professional footballer.
Can Lloris defy him? Ronaldo! #109 international goals.
Here it comes, Ronaldo right-footed. Sends the goalkeeper the wrong way. It's 1-0 to Portugal. Finally that goal comes.